Hello, I'm Angelo Russica, responsible of Milan Fashion Campus. I am here today because during these years, during these many years working in this field, and first as fashion designer and then director and responsible of Milan Fashion Campus, I received a lot of questions. Okay, so let's start with one of the most asked questions. That is the following. Is it important to take a fashion school to step inside the world of fashion? Normally, we say yes, because if you want to become a fashion designer, you need the skills to design, okay? Or you need a background, you need to know about the fashion history, you need to know about the different fashion styles, you need a preparation, right? Okay. But of course, if you want to work in the world of fashion in marketing or fashion editors, there are other institutes that are perhaps more specialized for this field, okay? Sometimes I also suggest to young people, if they are still young, to make first the university and then to start a career in fashion and to step inside a fashion institute. Okay, so you have a background, a general background, and then you go more specialized in the field of fashion with a specific fashion school. Okay.